Dear students, now we will see second practical of ATL 2. The aim of this practical is write a WML page using various tags such as select and option tags. So what is WML? WML is a wireless markup language like our HTML. So WML is the wireless markup language, and it is a markup language based on the XML, and it is used in specifying the content for narrowband devices. So which are the narrowband devices? Your mobile phones. So mobile phones are the narrowband devices. It mainly specifies how to adjust or display the text contents on mobile device, and for that purpose the WML is designed with the constraints of small narrowband devices in mind. So what are the constraints of mobile device? Mobile device is having a small display, it is having a limited user input facility, it is having a limited memory and computational resources. So WML is a content format for devices that implement the wireless application protocol, that is WAP, that we have seen in the unit 5, such as mobile phones. So WAP gateway sits between the mobile device and the WAP protocol and the World Wide Web, passing pages from one to another. So now we will see WML tags. So WML document is called as the deck, and data in a deck is structured into one of more cards. So now we will see the tags. First tag is WML and /WML. WML deck is defined by a WML tag. So this tag contains cards and information about the WML document. Next is card tag, card and /card. So this is a starting tag, this is ending tag. So WML deck contains one or more cards. The card contain text as well as links, tables and images, etc. The ID attribute of the card sets a unique name for that card, like our HTML pages. Then next tag is do and /do. So the do tag can be used to activate a task when the user clicks on the word or phrase on the screen. And the attributes of this do tag is, first is type, which defines the type of the do element. Second is ID, which sets the unique name for the element. Third is label, which creates a label for the do element, and name, which defines the name. Next a tag is go tag. So go tag is similar to the href tag in the HTML. The go tag represents the action of going a new card, and where to go is specified by href attribute. Then next is a select and option tag. The option tag is used to define the options in the selectable list. The group of selectable list identified by the name attribute. Okay, so like select name is equal to name, and the option values are given after that. Okay, next is oft group and /oft group. The oft group tag defines a group of option in a selectable list. So like our list, we are selecting from the list, so oft group tag defines a group of options in the selectable list. And template, the template tag defines a template for all the cards in a deck. The code in the template tag is added to each card in the deck. Okay, so like the conclusion is, basic tags of WML have been studied. Okay, so thank you so much.